Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some page flag embellishments and showing you guys how I made them. I used the Doodlebug collection that I shared with you guys, the Candy Carnival. I hauled this collection maybe about 2 videos ago, and I wanted to make flag embellishments. I knew that once I got the collection, just with all the colors and the vibrancy of it, I knew I wanted to make flag embellishments. But I came across a little situation where when I made them, I just didn't know how to decorate them, because I wanted to use everything that came with the collection, but it just kept looking super busy, you guys. So because the paper is busy as is, I decided to just leave them the way they are, and I think they turned out pretty cute. And I think this way you can kind of maybe add like a little spider or something like that. But as far as adding tons of little ephemera pieces on it, I just wasn't liking the look of it, so I kept mine simple. The stitching is kind of what speaks out on them. I love the way they look. I love the colors. I used some black and white paper straws. I changed my sizing of my little flags. I did some layering, like flag on top of flag. Look, you guys, they look super cute. You can choose to decorate yours if you'd like. I just kept not liking the way it was turning out, so I was just like, not too happy with that. It was just like, to cover the stars, there was so much going on in the back, and I didn't want to have to add another paper to kind of like tone down the background. But this is how they stood, and I love them. Look, you guys, and they're super easy to make. All you need is some paper straws. Cut them down. I cut them down right in the middle, half and half. You grab some of your pom-poms. I'm pretty sure everyone has these little bits and pieces in their stash. You grab a pom-pom, and you don't have to stitch, you guys. I know that I get some messages sometimes for me to create projects where I'm not stitching, so I'm not going to stitch on the one that I'm going to make with you guys, since you already know what a stitch one looks like. So we have half of our straw right here, and we're going to add a little dab of hot glue to the top so that we can put our pom-pom. So I'm just going to do that. I have a little bit of hot glue there. We're just going to lay our pom-pom on top. Just press down on that so that it can dry. And I think it just looks cuter with a little pom-pom on top. Isn't that adorable? Now, what you want to do is you want to cut some strips, whatever sizes you want. So I'm going to do these 3 different sizes. So this one, you're just going to fold it however you want it. I want it to be about that size. So I'm going to grab my scissor, and I'm just going to cut right there. And that's going to be my first little flag. And you should have something that looks like this. And then we're going to do the one with the stars. So I'm just going to fold it to about where I want it, which is about there. You're going to cut the excess off. You're going to make it a flag. And this is what you should have. So far we have those 2 pieces, and now we're going to do our last itty bitty one. And we're going to cut that right there. Super easy, you guys. 1, 2, 3. And these are going to be our little flags. You see that? Hopefully my straw is long enough, so I'm going to put that all the way in the top. That's going to be my top one. You're going to want to glue that down, so I'm going to do that quickly. You can use any adhesive you want. I'm using hot glue just for the sake of the video. And you just want to press down on that, make sure it's nice and in its place. So that is your first one, and you can put tassels before you put your pom-pom. You can put a charm. So I think I'm gonna do the small one in the middle. So we're gonna do this one right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the small one, and then I kind of like that, like big, small. So we're gonna glue this one down. And you're just gonna carefully, don't burn yourself, you guys. It's hot. Okay. And we have that one. This is what we have going on here so far. And now we're just gonna add our last piece, which is going right here. And that is what our flag would look like. Let's bring that up a little bit higher. I think I might want to make, I feel like I should leave it like this and layer it, because it might be too low. Oh yeah, I like the way that looks. You see, layering is cute, you guys. So I'm just gonna add that one there. We're gonna add some hot glue. And we're gonna layer that right on top, because that looks super cute. And look, you guys, you got yourself a cute little page flag that you can add. I would add like maybe like a googly eye or like a little sentiment. But look, it looks just as cute. Even though this one has the stitching, they still look super adorable because the pattern of the paper is what kind of makes the page flag on its own. And yeah, you guys, that is it. This is super easy. 1, 2, 3 little craft that you can whip up tons of them in no time. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.